All right, guys. So today is the May 10th, Wednesday, and this watch list is gonna be for tomorrow, Tuesday. I think there's a couple things we need to talk about. I want to talk about it before we go. Um, few trade I missed it. Um, it's just a really good example, and we could take a look. Well, SPY didn't do much. It's still hanging there. Tech stocks is being crazy. Tech stocks is crazy. Oh man. When this trend line is gonna break, I don't know. 138. We are heading from January, May 3rd. January. Okay, just let's say this. Straight up, pretty much no pullback. 17%. 17%. This is some crazy move. Mm, I don't know when are we gonna pull back, but so do I care. A few trade. Yup. Um, well, the winning trade, I don't want to talk about it. There's nothing I need to talk about it. It's just winning trade doesn't do anything. So pre-market meeting, we talk about this. This is the 117, 118 level. And if you look at here, if you look the 5 minutes, I said it when if this thing wash out toward the low 1180 1170 level, I'll get long. Unfortunately, I didn't long this. I actually short the top. That's a different it's just a different strategy, but same thing. If you long this thing right here, man, 8% move straight up. It's just crazy. This is very nice move. Again, I still want to short this in the coming days. Ideally, I'll wait for a first red day or peaking out action around 13, somewhere like that. I think this thing is gonna drop back down. Okay, that's just how I think about it. All right, trip. This is the one I missed. ACIA. Let's talk about ACIA first. Huge drop down. Open at like pre-market was 38.51. The open was 42 when we talk about it. 42. So this thing was right here, somewhere right here. Then pop straight up. If you look at it, the resist why you always have to draw a resistance level because this day's close, the low was through 35.32. And look at it. When it pops back up, like right after the open, let's look the 1 minute chart. Open up, this is buying, 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 then pops right up like 7% right at the open. Okay, this kind of move, 6.5%, this move is not sustainable. They made a double top right here. Okay, 45.25, then pop right back and 4% move. This is stuff I like. Okay, so we'll talk about FTRIP. Profit taking. It's just perfect profit taking. Straight up days. I mean, if you watch the watch list from yesterday, I talk about this. Somehow I missed this trade, but that's okay. I hope you get the idea what I'm talking about. This is the 51 is the major resistance area. Okay, you can if you have a basic charting, uh, knowledge. If you can't do basic charting, then there's nothing I can help you. 51 is the major resistance area. This thing once it open, like pre-market test 51, then right after open 51, look at it. Look this thing. The high was 50.95. Okay, anywhere if you short here, risk the high of the day, and if you watch the tape and watch the order flow, if you short anywhere like here, boom, pre-market low. This thing is 47. It touched 47, just made a little bit below. From 50, let's say 50.55. That's like what? 47. That's 2 point. That's 3 points. That's $3.50 move. And look the trend line. Straight down. It didn't even bounce. This thing didn't even bounce. The whole trend did not even bounce. If you just follow this trend. Or follow this 50 moving average. Like you can get out right here. Okay? You get out at 57.50. If you short somewhere right here, right below this VWAP, or right below, even you miss this, if you short right below this 50 area, major whole number, still 1,000 shares will make you, very profitable trading. Okay. All right. So let's see what's next one. Um, Snap tomorrow. I don't see a lot of really nice movers after market. All right, let's talk about ARY. Okay, this one, Flora mentioned this was really nice. Picking this right here when I saw it was still strong. I saw the, all these bid and keep buying up. All this dip pushed, dip brought up. All this wick got brought up. No, they push higher, but then this is like a bull trap, I would say. Pop back up, then start fading. Okay. If you look the 5 minutes, this thing is very clean. Unfortunately, I didn't trade it, but it's just still very clean move. Seller in control, beat up, Then if you risk anywhere right here at high of the day, then get in. That's about 8% move, which is really nice. So, yep, that's just how these things are. Tomorrow, I think the whole world will watch this one, Snap. So now it's way below major support. Everybody, I don't care who you are, everybody in here. Okay, I feel bad for whoever bought at 29.40. Okay, everybody in here are underwater. So the price is 17 right here. We'll see a lot of crazy action tomorrow. Okay, 19 level, 1750, 18 level, and 17. What was he? Ideally, I don't know. Let's see if we can get shares on this. This will be a hot play tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna major focus on this thing. HOLX. Look at how this thing before okay, first push up and 48, they made to 49, then all the way back down to 41, 48. That sucks. Whoever got that. This is the thing about earnings, okay? Tomorrow this thing should be fine. You're long-term investor, you've been holding the stock. Boom, boom, boom. You bust a bunch of stock right here. And boom, 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 boom. Keep going at 46. And you think, oh, the company's good. Let's, go through the earnings. Bang. No, the stock is right here. Most people are gonna be like, what the fuck? That's how they are. I mean, that's the risk of long-term swim trading or, well, swim trading. But hey, um, people don't learn. People will still betting on earnings and whatever they, us. See, they don't get the thing is, it's not about winning one trade. Yeah, sometimes you might get lucky, you buy something, go for earnings, this thing pop for 20 bucks, 20%. But can you do it in a consistent base? They never think about that. They never think about consistency. That's the worst part. All right. So tomorrow I'm definitely gonna watch this. We'll see how it goes. And what else? SGMO. Okay, 650. 650. This is a nice one because I'm seeing all this base chart, all these people, and now it at 650. Well, they actually made something. So I guess that's people are optimistic about this thing. Are these people gonna what they're gonna do? We'll see what happen tomorrow. Nice pre-market auction. Probably we'll watch if this thing gets more action, more volume come in tomorrow morning. Okay, so that's it, and I'll talk to you guys at morning.